In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the trim command. Using the trim command is essential for any Autocad user because it helps you refine and tidy up your drawings by cutting objects to meet the edges of other objects. We'll walk through each step together so you can become familiar with both quick mode and standard mode. Let's start by opening AutoCAD and activating the trim command. You can either click the trim icon in your toolbar or simply type trim in the command line and press enter. This will activate the trim command. From here, you have two modes to choose from: quick mode and standard mode. First, let's look at quick mode. This is a great tool when you need to trim objects quickly without setting specific boundaries. In this mode, you select the objects you wish to trim individually. This method is intuitive because you can press and drag to create a freehand selection path around the objects you want to trim. Alternatively, you can specify a crossing fence by picking two empty locations. This selection path lets you choose which parts of your drawing will act as cutting edges. Keep in mind that in quick mode, all selected objects automatically serve as cutting edges. Additionally, if you select any objects that cannot be trimmed, those objects will be deleted instead. This is part of the efficiency of quick mode. This feature is especially useful when you're in a time crunch or dealing with a complex drawing where speed is important but precision still matters. Now, let's switch to standard mode. This is the method you might use when you need more control over what exactly should be trimmed against which boundaries. Unlike quick mode, standard mode requires you to first select the boundary objects. These boundaries are what the selected objects will trim to. After picking your boundaries, press enter. Then you can select the specific objects you want to be trimmed. With standard mode, you have the added flexibility of using all objects as boundaries by pressing enter right at the initial Select Objects prompt. This approach gives you precise control, ensuring your drawing aligns perfectly with your intended design. Overall, knowing how to use both quick mode and standard mode within the trim command allows you to optimize your workflow in AutoCAD, keeping your drawings clean and efficient while giving you the flexibility to choose based on your project's needs. Feel free to experiment with both modes to see which one suits you better in different situations. Practice makes perfect, and the more you use these commands, the more intuitive they will become. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.